The time of the Stuarts was fairly crazy, with plots, wars, invasions, plague, and of course the Great Fire of London. But what was life like for ordinary people between the wild times? The answer is not great in general. There was a huge increase in the population in the 16th century, which meant there was a lot less food to go round, and a lot more hungry Brits. The best thing to do was work for a master who could provide you with somewhere to sleep and something to eat. Those who couldn't find a master, or grow food on their own land, had to rely on help from neighbours or beg on the streets. A lot couldn't hack it, and moved abroad to the New World of America. People had to just hang on in there until harvest time, with its promise of more food. Annoyingly, soldiers roaming the country fighting in the Civil War would often steal food from people's fields and scoff it themselves. Despite all these problems, the poorer people were actually sometimes healthier than the rich, who gorged themselves on fatty meat and sugary desserts. Women didn't have any rights at all, really. However, the truth was, life was hard for men and women. Girls wouldn't expect to live beyond 48, and boys could only hope to reach 44. What's worse, you'd probably spend a lot of that time suffering from plague, a dodgy tummy, or at the very best, itchy, disgusting fleas and lice. Ugh! At least there was some entertainment. You could pop along to a country dance, see a play in London, or see gory blood sports like bear baiting. Although I don't think we'd enjoy that last one these days. It was very cruel.